Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. In today's exciting video, we're going to be turning this into a pipe. Some kind of weird tobacco pipe. Alright, well, anyway, that's what we're going to turn it into, okay? So, stick around.
The power of the dark side.
Hello everybody, today I'm going to be working on making a bubbler pipe. Alright, I guess that's what they call them, a bubbler pipe, bong, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, I don't smoke, so it should be fun. Don't ask, and I won't have to tell, okay? Right. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing today. We're making a water pipe, okay? So, give me a second. I'm going to draw a hole, maybe a couple holes, and I'll get right back with you, okay? All right, so I drilled the hole. I thought this was going to be all right, but it blew the side out. But that's all right. It ain't going to matter because, like, see how the lid's got that rim on it? It's going to fit right down there in that. And it's going to be epoxy then. Once I epoxy it in, you won't see this here because, well, I'm going to magically make it disappear. All right? All right. Okay, so I'll get right back to you. I got some more holes to drill. Okay, so we got the bowl drilled. See? Turn this over. See, that goes right in there like that. Hole drilled. I gotta drill a hole for the mouthpiece. All right, for the breathing hole. All right, because this is gonna be for the stem, and then I'll drill another hole in the side here somewhere, on one of these sides, for you know it to connect. Then once I get that all done, I can do some kind of carving on it. I don't know what I'm going to do on it yet. So, all right. I'll get back with you when I do more. I got a couple more holes to drill. All right. Got them holes drilled. And one over here. They're just guide holes. They don't got to be perfect. But they work. They're all the way through. They work. Air escapes through them. So over here, probably had the stem. This will be a breather hole, or I guess they call it a shotgun hole of some sort. Just to clear the smoke out of the chamber. Now I gotta find something to use for a stem. It's gotta be aluminum, because otherwise it'll rust in here, in this jar of water, or whatever they decide to put in it. This is actually one of those miniature moonshine jars. You get them little, like, I guess, sample moonshine. Like shots. If you look close enough, you'll see that it says smoky on it. I thought it was a good example of what it should say on I guess a glass water pipe. We may try to do some engraving on the glass too. We'll see how that goes. All right. I'll get back with you once I find a piece for the stem. All right, guys. I got the holes drilled. that I needed to drill for this bubbler to work. Now I've actually clamped it so that it could dry. I wanted it to dry nice and tight in there, the cap for the here. Let me get it out of there. For the masonry jar, right? You see the little masonry jar in there. All right, so now it should be able to unscrew and screw back in, just like that, and it should line up every time. Well, it is what it is, but I'm gonna carve all this out a little bit, you know, and make it look good, so it doesn't just look like a block of wood. All right, the next thing I got to do is on the bottom here. I got to drill some holes. All right, because I have holes already drilled underneath this cap, but I didn't want to drill them through the cap and then take a chance at them not lining up later. As you see, I have indicator marks here and here, and of course I can drill through the top of the bowl into the cap. See, I don't know if can you see that? You can see the cap. I'm going to get to that, and I'm going to do that, and then I'll bring you back. All right, stick around. All right, so I got one of the holes drilled here. It seems to be fairly close to perfect. Once it's epoxied in, I'm going to epoxy it in with JB Weld because, well, JB Weld is a high temperature epoxy, okay? And for what it's going to be holding, it'll be perfect, all right? Meaning that it can get hot and it'll still hold it's gonna hold the stem. Now this stem piece here was actually you guys are gonna laugh, okay? It was actually part of a puller pipe. All right. Now these are just straws that were sold not too long ago. There were straws that were sold not too long ago at like the local gas stations for like Slurpees to give you brain freeze or something. I don't know. But they're aluminum. They won't rust. And this should be perfect for this project. All right, now keep in mind, guys, I'm not a smoker of any sort. So I won't be able to test this. But, well, I guess I can without anything in it, but yeah, we're not at that point yet. Now what I'm going to do is, see, I got the hole drilled. All right, now this will slide right down in there, and it's kind of crooked at this point in time, but I'm going to push it up because it's got a little wiggle room, all right, in there. So I'm going to get it. I already had it in there once perfect. I'm going to get it in there perfect again, and I'm going to let it set. And once it's set, then I can put the top on it. See, it's crooked right now, but as you can see, it'll fit in there. It'll work good. And it should work good. It should work great for the purposes of a novelty item. I'm going to get this epoxied into here, and then I'll bring you back. All right, see you in a minute. All right, so I got the stem in there, and as you can see, it's been epoxied in. We got to wait for it to dry. Hopefully it'll hold. If not, I'll have to redo it again, and I'll have to take this paint off because I'm not sure if that didn't think about it when I put it in there, but that epoxy may or may not hold against that paint. Let's hope it does. That's all I can say, I guess. All right, moving on. All right, I gotta let this dry. It's got to dry for a while, so a couple hours at least, until it sets where I can go do something else. And then when we get that done, then we'll start the carving process, okay? At this point, oh, wait, I forgot. Once it dries, I got to drill the holes for the stem and the shotgun hole in the side here. right there's one, and right there's one. All right, I didn't exactly get this one perfect, but that's all right because I have plans, and you'll see what I'm going to do with that coming up, okay? It should be kind of neat if it works out. All right, so I'll bring you back once this is dry.
Son, where'd you find this?
Alright guys, this is pretty much what it looks like right here. Got a shot of it outside there on my picnic table there, so I had some real good light for it, you know, to kind of show through. And I just couldn't get away from that block look. That wood is 100-year-old white oak, at least 100-year-old. It's hard stuff, man. That's some dense wood. It's hard to carve in. And it seems like the deeper you carve into it, the harder it gets. But it turned out fairly nice. I gave it a nice beeswax coating on the outside. As you can see there, the stem I epoxied in and made like an epoxy wood putty of sorts to fill in the gaps in between. There ain't no leaks in that stem, I guarantee it. Now, I used to smoke years ago. I haven't smoked since 2009, but I haven't smoked out of a pipe like that since like 2000. Look, the kitty wants a hit. Yeah. Pup, pass, kitty. Alright. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. It's been quite a long video. I apologize for that, but most of the video that you've seen here was actually done live. I dropped the video down and edited it for this video here. I actually made this pipe here for my good friend. It's already at his house, believe it or not. He hasn't opened it yet, I don't think. But it definitely is there according to tracking. So, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to share this video to all your media sources. I'm your buddy, I'm your friend, I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.